Hello, myself Bhaskar Sharma from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT, Kupas, Jaipur. I will give a video lecture on part second of protective relay. In this lecture, we will discuss about some topics, that is introduction, operating principle, fundamental of protective relay, working and single line diagram of protective relay, purpose of protective relay, types of protective relay, importance of protective relay, why a system needs protection, and the last one is conclusion. Introduction. A protective relay is a device designed to trip a circuit breaker when fault is detected. Protective relay were electromagnetic devices. It is operating on moving parts to provide detection of abnormal conditions. In continuation with the introduction, the electromechanical protective relay used at hydroelectric plant. The relay are in round glass cases. The need to act quickly to protect circuit, to protect equipment and trip a breaker within a few thousand of seconds. Operating principle. There are really only two fundamentally different operating principle: electromagnetic attraction principle, and second one is electromagnetic induction principle. The electromagnetic attraction relay operate by virtue of a plunger being drawn into a solenoid, and electromagnetic induction relay use the principle of induction motor. Fundamental of protective relay. The two fundamental relay operations are to isolate faulted section of the power system while maintaining the power delivery capability in the reset of the power system. Relays can have numerous inputs on which to determine if a trip signal is required. DC power is needed to supply relay power as well as to provide trip coil power for the power of circuit breaker. Continuation with the fundamentals of protective relay. The other inputs can modify relay behavior to speed up or inhibit operations. And the last one is relay communication also allows remote control and event retrieval. Now, in this slide, we discuss the protective relay, where the diagram of protective relay is shown here, that works on the electromagnetic attraction or electromagnetic induction impulse. This is the single line diagram of protective relay, where a relay is connected through the CT and PT. When the abnormal conditions is occurs, the current and value of voltage will be changed and gives a signal to the circuit breaker to isolate the faulty section of the circuit to protect the healthy section or rest of the live system section as shown in figure. Now, in this slide, we discuss about the purpose of protective relay: to isolate controlling circuit from controlled circuit, to control high voltage system with low voltage, to control high current system with low current, and the last one is the logic function. Types of protective relay. The types of protective relay are mainly based on their characteristics, logic, on actuating parameter, and operation mechanism. Based on operation of mechanism, uh, first one is the electromagnetic relay, second one is a static relay, third one is mechanical relay. Based on actuating parameter, it can be classified as current relay, voltage relay, frequency relay, and power relay. And based on the application, the relay can be classified as primary relay and backup relay. Based on characteristics of the relay can be classified as definite time relay, inverse time relay with definite minimum time, instantaneous relay, IDMT with instrument, stepped characteristics, programmed switches, voltage restraint over electric current relay. Based on the logic, the classification of relay as differential, unbalanced, neutral displacement, direction, restricted earth fault, overfluxing, distance scheme, busbar protection, reverse power relay, loss of excitation, negative phase sequence relay. Importance of protective relay. Inadequate protection can lead to a major fault that would have been avoided. By adequate protection, the damage can be eliminated or minimized. If the faulty part is disconnected quickly, the damage caused by the fault is minimum. The protective relaying helps in improving service continuity and its importance to self-evident. Why a system needs protection. There is no fault-free system. It is neither practical nor economical to build a fault-free system. Electrical systems shall tolerate certain degree of faults. Usually faults are caused by breakdown of insulation due to various reasons, that is system aging, lightning, etc. Conclusion. In this lecture we discuss about the operating principle and fundamental of protective relay. Also, in this video lecture, we discuss about the working and single line diagram of protective relay, purpose and importance of protective relay, and types of protective relay,